So you want to learn PHP, and rightfully so, because other than JavaScript, PHP is the most used language on the web. The vast majority of websites you visit are built with PHP. It's fast, but more importantly for you and me, it's easy to pick up and learn to start writing web applications. Hi, my name is Jeremy McPeak, and this is the course you want to take to learn PHP. Now, I assume nothing from you. We will start from the very beginning, and I'll show you the tools that you'll need to get started learning and writing PHP. And after you have everything installed on your computer, I'll start walking you through the fundamentals of the language. You'll learn about variables and syntax, and how to make your applications more intelligent by making decisions from within your code. We'll talk about arrays and looping over those arrays, and you'll also learn how to write your own functions and how PHP treats the variables both inside and outside of those functions. But there's so much more to PHP than just these simple constructs. You'll learn how to get and handle user input from both HTTP GET and POST requests, and you'll also learn how to persist that data using sessions. But if you're like me, you'll learn more by doing than by watching a video. So we will then start building a web-based glossary application. I'll show you how you can organize your project using controllers and views, read from and write to files, as well as how to build a simple authentication system. You'll then learn a little bit about MySQL, and we'll adapt our project to store and read data from MySQL instead of physical files on the file system. Now, we have a ton of work ahead of us, so when you're ready, cue up the next video and we will get started.